Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit, and happy July! Boy, is 2023 flying by or what? Today's going to be a different type of video. It's not going to be a what are we eating video or a budget video. Unless you've been living under a rock for the past year or so, you've had to have heard about the carnivore diet. The carnivore diet is an extreme elimination diet that can have life-changing benefits. You, the people, already know that I'm not a doctor and I don't even play one on TV. That leads me to a very off-topic, but funny question. If I were to play a doctor on TV, who would it be? You, the people, let me know. So with me not being a doctor, I'm not here telling you if you should or you shouldn't try the carnivore diet, or the pros and cons if you do or don't try it. But you're probably watching this video from a phone or a computer, so you have the same access to get on the internet to research, read a book to do research, or discuss with your doctor. So once you've done all your research and talked to your doctor, if you decide the carnivore diet is for you, give it a try. If you decide the carnivore diet's not for you, don't give it a try. The only thing I can say at this point is I've been on the carnivore diet just a little over a month now, and at just over a month in, I have absolutely nothing negative to say about it. I do, however, have a lot of positive things to say about it, but I'm not trying to make this video solely about the carnivore diet. So like I said in the beginning, if you want to hear more of my thoughts about the carnivore diet and see more carnivore diet videos, hit that like button and leave me a comment in the comment section. Now if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard and please subscribe. But if you've been on the channel for a while, you're going to recognize some of these upcoming videos. I just realized I've been eating a lot of carnivore diet friendly foods, I just haven't been eating a carnivore diet. And there's a huge difference, which we'll discuss later. That is, if you, the people, are interested. If you're interested, leave a comment. I want to see more of what Larry eats on the carnivore diet. Today's video is not a new video, but it is a carnivore diet friendly video, so let's get into it. Lunch meats or deli meats are going to be one of the hardest or impossible things to find while eating on a carnivore diet because they contain sugars and other garbage you don't want to be eating while you're trying to eat clean. And the cut of meat we're using today is a whole eye of round roast weighing in at 6 pounds. And if the top of the black pepper shaker happens to come off while you're seasoning your eye of round and the whole container of pepper pours out, just carry on. That's the type of thing that happens in real life. Back to the eye of round roast, which is not typically a good piece of meat for the carnivore diet because it's an extremely lean piece of meat with no internal marbling. But there's always ways to add fat when you're eating lean meats on the carnivore diet. And just a funny little fact about an eye of round. It's one of the worst pieces of meat you can buy or eat unless you cook and slice it right, which I'm going to show you how to in this video. There's only 3 things that eye of round is good for. 1 is making thinly sliced roast beef or pit beef sandwiches. 2 is for jerky. Due to it being so lean, fat in jerky turns it rancid. And number 3, you'll find out the hard way if you overcook it. It's great for making boots. Now the only thing I did to prepare this eye of round was very generously seasoned with kosher salt and black pepper. 2 things you'll notice. I didn't trim any of the fat and also excessively seasoned with kosher salt. You're encouraged and should and need to eat more salt while you're on the carnivore diet. But again, that's something we can talk to in future videos. Now you can take your eye of round and place it into the refrigerator overnight, or you can cook it right away. When you're ready to cook your eye of round, you can cook it inside in your oven, outside on your grill, or on a smoker. Whatever way you decide to cook it at 325 degrees until the internal temperature reaches 125 degrees. If you want to add more smoky flavor to it, you can smoke it low and slow at 250 degrees until it reaches 125 degrees, which is what I'm going to do in this video. Regardless of how you decide to cook your eye of round, please use a meat thermometer. I'm being 100% serious when I say this. If you overcook this piece of meat, it's ruined. That's just my opinion, and I know opinions will differ. I know a lot of people who cook these well done, and I know a lot of people who cook these in the crock pot. But I also have other kooky friends that do things I don't agree with. But they're all currently in therapy. I'm just kidding. But one thing I'm not kidding about is they're still chewing on the last eye of round they cooked. So to each their own, que sera sera. FYI, my boot size is 11.5. So once my eye of round was on my smoker, I let it smoke at 250 degrees until the internal temperature reached 125 degrees. And then I took it inside and loosely tinted with foil and let it rest for about an hour. The best thing, and even better, is you can wrap this in saran wrap and let it sit in a refrigerator overnight and then slice it while it's cold. So we cut it in half to give you an inside shot of how perfectly it turned out. Now you don't have to have one, but I highly recommend investing in a meat slicer. You can get a decent meat slicer for under $50. The one I'm using today cost me $30, and the only thing I use it for is to thinly slice beef and pork. So continue slicing until all your meat is sliced. And one thing I did forget to mention, that there's no waste when you cook an eye of round. If you buy a 6-pound eye of round, you're going to finish off with very close to 6 pounds of finished product. So at about a pound a serving, which is typical on a carnivore diet, you're going to have 6 full servings of clean, unprocessed, high protein, roast beef, lunch meat. And even if you're not on a carnivore diet, this is a hell of a deal. This whole eye of round roast costs about $30. 6 pounds of roast beef from your deli section is going to cost you about $72, and is going to be full of garbage that you don't want to be eating while you're on the carnivore diet. So this is my way of making carnivore-friendly, unprocessed, deli-style roast beef. But there's a bonus. You don't have to be on the carnivore diet to make this or eat it. It's delicious either way. If you like this video and you want to see more carnivore diet videos, hit that like button and say, "Show me the meat." Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.